Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Henderson County in West Tennessee, Benton County in West Tennessee, Carroll County in West Tennessee, northeastern Madison County in West Tennessee, southeastern Henry County in West Tennessee, northeastern Decatur County in West Tennessee, until 9 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Barberton, or 11 miles southeast of Milan, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Huntington, Camden, Natchez Trace State Park, Natchez Trace State Forest, New Johnsonville, Brewston, Atwood, Blue Goose, Vale, Barberton, Wildersville, Parker's Crossroads, Treasavant, Hollow Rock, Big Sandy, Clarksburg, McLemoresville, Hickory Flat, and Dollar. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Henry, Tennessee. A severe thunderstorm warning remains.